You can see the rust on the track, right? Full of rust has been occurred on the railway tracks because there has been not even a single train running on the track for past 4 to 5 months. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today right now I'm in railway station, which is like a scary booth bangla. We can't find a single person nowadays, and it's one of the peaceful place to have a walk in the evening if your house is near to railway stations. Right now my house is near to some railway station, so I came for a walk in the evening, and you can see just not even a single dog I can found in this street right now. And guys, I want to show you one thing. I haven't seen in the past decade the railway tracks have been get rusted and all, but from past 4 months, there was not even a single train was run on the track. We can find there was rusters. You can see the rust on the track, right? Full of rust has been occurred on the railway tracks because there has been not even a single train running on the track for past 4 to 5 months. So it's become very rusted. Seeing first time in my life these kind of things. The rusted tracks. Guys, having a small walk on the railway track, and it is so pleasant, and it is a very good walking time because everyone are right now alone. We can't even meet our friends because of corona cases are increasing day by day. So we have to walk in such a kind of a single person solely. I can't find a single person around 100 to 200 meters nearby me, and it is a must, and it's very greenery right now. I can see lots of green because of corona. The nature got healed a lot, I think, nowadays. That how the trees are there right now, you only see it's so green, guys. Guys, and also see the railway track situation right now. The dusted the tracks have filled with plants right now. If you see all those places, we can see the plants have been grown a lot, and this is the first time you will also see like these conditions because railways is one of the biggest transport system in India, and minimum 3 to 4 trains go on this track in a day. But four, from 4 to 5 months, there was not even a track. The track also not been cleaned because of coronavirus. Lots of plants have been grown here. You can also find the rusting. Guys, if you love my video, share my video to your friends and click the bell icon so that you can watch my upcoming videos. And guys, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.